Hey, did you know TikTok can make you a better filmmaker? Let's check it out. But like this. Beginners usually make their films with more seconds and less edits. Since you have less time, you have to choose wisely with your clips. You can use in-camera transitions. You don't just have to use the zoom in and zoom out technique. You can do things such as tapping your phone, flipping it, or even just dropping it into another scene. Time constraints helps your creativity grow. Since you have so little time, you have to think of things on the spot. Another thing is that when you're making your TikToks, you're probably using the stuff you have around your house. So this can include fun things such as fun lights, or even just using props such as pots and pans. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope these tips make you a better filmmaker. For more information on classes or how to register, visit us at filmcampforkids.com.